Good morning, children. Today I am going to begin with the new chapter. It is titled Vertical Descent. This extract has been taken from Jules Verne's very best writing, which is A Journey to the Center of the Earth. Jules Verne was a French author who wrote many novels, short stories, essays, and plays. He is referred to as one of the fathers of the science fiction genre. His works have been translated in 250 languages, making him the second most translated author of all time next to Agatha Christie. His most popular novels include Journey to the Center of the Earth and Around the World in 80 Days. The main characters of this story are Professor Otto Lidenbrock, his nephew Axel Lidenbrock, and their guide Hans Belke. First, I'll give you an insight into the novel. This Journey to the Center of the Earth is an adventurous science fiction. Professor Lidenbrock discovers a coded message in an ancient manuscript about a way to get it to the center of the earth through a mountain in Iceland. After decoding the message, Lidenbrock and Axel set off to Iceland to begin their journey to the center of the earth. There, they hire an Icelandic guide named Hans Belke to help them in their journey. Professor Lidenbrock, Axel, and Hans Belke find and enter the volcanic crater that marks the entrance to the center of the earth. Inside, they face several difficulties and see a lot of strange things, including prehistoric life. They reach a vast underground cavern filled with deep ocean surrounded by a coastline. The story of this novel is that it's a secret expedition beneath the earth's surface to an imaginary world. The story is being narrated by Axel Lidenbrock, one of the three adventurers. It tells how he, Professor Otto Lidenbrock, and the guide Hans descend the chimney of an extinct volcano in Iceland and proceed to unknown regions and then miraculously survive a volcanic eruption which shoots them to the surface again from the mouth of Mount Etna. To find out more, do read this book. I'll give you the explanation of the extract very briefly. It is chapter number 7 and it is titled Vertical Descent. Axel, as the narrator, tells us, the readers, that how his uncle, Professor Lidenbrock, with him reach Iceland. With Hans, their guide, they are about to begin their journey inside the crater to reach the center of the earth. This extract will tell us what happens next. The moment Axel looked inside the bottomless pit, he was extremely frightened. He feared that as there were no rails while walking down, if they missed even a single step, they would fall into the pit. Uncle realized that the journey was dangerous and told them that he would be using the rope to descend the chimney. He uncoiled a thick 400 feet long rope and dropped half of it on the ground. He tied it to a rock and the other half was thrown into the pit. He wanted them to begin their descent by holding on to the rope. Uncle told them that they would jump down holding both the halves of the rope. After they descend 200 feet, they would leave one end of the rope, which would rise rapidly and push them further down. They would continue doing that till they reached the bottom of the hole. Uncle told them to divide their load into 3 parts. The food provisions had to be strapped on their backs, clothes, the ladders and ropes were tied in a bundle and dropped into the chimney. The 3 of them climbed down clutching the double cord. They descended 200 feet in half hour. Though Axel was nervous, Uncle seemed to observe the surrounding quite enthusiastically. Though still 3 hours had passed, the bottom of the chimney was still not visible. To Axel, it seemed as if the walls of the chimney were drawing closer and it was getting darker. Just then his uncle announced that they had reached the bottom of the chimney. So it's a very, very simple text, and I'm sure you are not only curious but you have also enjoyed reading this adventurous science fiction. Thank you, children.